Hello, this is just a brief introduction to Ayurveda. So, Ayurveda is a science of health, living in harmony with nature and spirit. And so, one of the basic concepts that many people find helpful is to understand that in Ayurveda there are three doshas. These doshas are our capacity to channel the different elements of nature in our systems in a healthy way. We're born with a constitution which gives us containers of different amounts for each of the three doshas. So the three doshas are Vata, which is made up of ether or space and air. It's the most subtle and changeable of the doshas. And Pitta, which is made up mostly of fire with a little bit of water, and Kapha, which is made up of earth and water. So Kapha is the most dense and makes up most of our tissues. So in Ayurveda, what is a sign of our health, or also how we find our healthy balance, is to start to understand what our constitution is and to influence our containers with having equal amounts of the doshas to our containers, our capacity for containing these different energies. So, what the levels of our doshas are actually in any given moment is called our condition, our current condition. And that is changeable because everything around us, everything inside of us, everything we eat or think, all of our emotions, and the climate, all these different things affect our doshas. And when we get too much of something beyond the capacity of our constitutional containers, they can start to overflow, and this overflowing is what causes symptoms to begin, and eventually, over time, diseases to begin. So, that is just the very basic idea of the doshas in Ayurveda. There are many other concepts of health, but that's a beginning. And so I hope that is useful to you to get you interested in learning more about Ayurveda and how it can help you to really be on a healthy level of health um, by changing the inputs that you're having and bringing them into a balance with your containers.